About this item: 35 foot long by 8.5 foot wide Classic Customs single ply EPDM RV roofing membrane kit. Classic Customs EPDM membrane is 32 mm/0.8 mm thick, smooth and textured patterned sides, color is white throughout. It is recommended to get a length that is longer wider than your unit due to possible curve of the roof, raised or lowered areas. Removing the excess is much better than not having enough. 5 tubes of Classic Customs self-leveling silicone caulk. See additional photo. Kit includes 4 rolls of putty tape, 1/8 thick x 3/4 WX30L, non-hardening, pliable putty tape. Color gray. 2 gallons of acrylic rubber roof adhesive, water-based. Item ships folding in a box. It is recommended that you remove it from the box as soon as you receive it. Lay it flat and allow it to relax for several hours before installing. This will allow the temporary creases that may have been caused by folding to come out as the item rests. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: 35 foot long by 8.5 foot wide Classic Customs single ply EPDM RV roofing membrane kit. Classic Customs EPDM membrane is 32 mm/0.